This man Roy, who is an ex-Stanford D1 hooper, might actually be one of the toughest hoopers that ever graced the YouTube 1v1 basketball space. Not only he's undefeated, but he beat great hoopers such as Uncle Skoob, Rilla, Drew Coda, Ryan the Crash Dummy, and the list goes on. These are some of his toughest plays and highlights. Please enjoy the show.
Oh my gosh. It's 10-5.
Damn, he looked at the camera too.
He keeps on going, he never stops. Keep on watching, please. I'm not gonna lie, I wanna see him hoop on TNC, OTD TV, and Ball is Life. He's too tough and too talented to not be a staple on the YouTube basketball community. What y'all think about his game?
Oh my goodness, bruh.
Twelve 10.
I'm always trying to walk the line between us. So pay no mind to my pride. I don't